Hello viewers, as you can see we are using Blender 4.4.3. So in today's tutorial we are going to see how to apply PBR textures to objects. Pressing 1, pressing A to select all and delete, Shift A, Mesh, Cube. Now for a wood, we are applying a PBR texture of wood. SX, SZ to scale it and in Z-axis, SY to scale it on Y-axis. Now press 7 to go on the top view. In timeline window, click here, shaders residual, press new. Now press principal BSDF. Before that, go to preferences, extensions, add-ons. You have to enable this node Wrangler. Search here NODE node Wrangler and NODE mode Wrangler, enable it, save preferences. Now click on principal BSDF, Ctrl plus Shift and press T. Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Now here for example this one, plywood, select all of these, pressing Ctrl or Shift. Here the materials applied, as you can see. Now go to 7, press numpad 7 to go on top view, tab to edit mode, A to select all, U to unwrap UV mapping, smart UV project, click unwrap. From here go to UV editor, select all, R90, scale it, here you go, a PBR texture is applied. Now if you want a realistic look, a real world texture, go to shaders editor, from here scale to 15,000, strength to 4,000. Now from here change the render engine to cycles, make sure it's on GPU compute, come out of this one, Shift A, camera, GZ, numpad 3 to side view, GY, camera view, GY, GZ, RX, now Shift A, For some light, spotlight, GZ. Here, object data properties, white light color. We will import our 450 watts. Increase the radius. Make sure to save it. BSDF test. X. Now Shift A, mesh plane 1, GZ, S. Now hit render image. For some faster renders, data. This one light is not 45,000. Ctrl S, render image. As you can see, we have applied a nice looking PBR texture under 10 minutes. So please subscribe to the channel and comment if you want a tutorial about anything. Thanks a lot.